Hey there, Mr. Russell here to talk to you about question number 1 on the review from yesterday. So this one, when we're graphing inequality, in this setup, we're going to treat it like we did in chapter 5 when we graphed equations in slope-intercept form. Okay, so we're going to start by identifying what the slope and the y-intercept of this equation is. Okay, so I'm looking at the way it's set up, and I notice that, remember, mx plus b, so its slope is negative 2/3. And its y-intercept, or its b value, is the 0.0, 6. Okay, let's start by showing that it crosses the y-axis at the 0.06. So I'm going to put a point right there. Okay, and its slope is negative 2/3. So from that point, we're going to go down 2, 1, 2, to the right 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, down 2, to the right 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this is where it gets fun, because this is the new part with an inequality. We had two decisions to make. First of all, we have to decide if we use a solid or a dashed line. And then we also have to decide if we shade above that line or below the line. Let's start with the type of line. So since its y is less than or equal to, the or equal to part of that is what tells us to use a solid line. If it was just less than and not equal to, in that case, we would use a dashed line. Okay, but here, let's use a solid line. Yep, I got solid. I'll make it blue. Oh, I want to do this actually. Solid blue line. All right. We're going to extend that on. I'm going to draw it as far as I can. There we go. Then I want to make sure I put arrows on both sides to show that that line does go on forever in both directions. Oh no. Okay. And now let's decide if we want to shade above or below. So y is less than. So less than means we shade below the line. So identify where my line crosses the y-axis, and I want to shade the y values down from there. So I'm shading down this direction. So we're shading over this way. Okay, you can use a highlighter if you want. If you want to shade it lightly with a pencil, that's what I do. But there you go. That's all for number 1.